I'm going to show you how to connect a pair of Sennheiser Momentum 4 wireless headphones directly to your iPhone via Bluetooth, okay? So right now I'm not connected on my iPhone here, but first thing is let's go ahead and put this in a pairing mode, okay? So I have to turn this on first. So 1, 2, 3 seconds and let go. Okay, it should be on. Now I'm going to put it in pairing mode, okay? So you have that one button here. They say to press and hold for 5 seconds, but sometimes I have to press and hold it for like 8 seconds. Just wait until all the light starts flashing. Okay, so we'll do it together. Here's the button here. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, there it is. See, that's what you have to wait. Okay, that was like 6 or 7 seconds. So it's in pairing mode now. You can see it all in there. So now we're just going to go to the settings. Go to your Bluetooth again. Where's Bluetooth? Right there. And now look for, it should say, okay, there it is right here. It's Momentum 4. It doesn't have the Sennheiser name in here. So Momentum 4 right there. Let's tap on that right there. It just said pairing successful. And now I can see the, where am I connected at? Oh, there it is. Momentum 4 is connected. Now, if you have issues like connecting, or maybe you connected before, what you can do is just tap on the eye and just tap on forget device. And then try it over again, okay? Put it back into pairing mode, okay? Press and hold this button here until, okay, it's off now. Now I'm gonna press and hold. It says 5 seconds, but I gotta hold a little bit longer. Wait till all the light starts flashing here. Okay, where's it at? Where's it at? Oh, there it is. Let go, and now it's in pairing mode again, and I should be able to find it. There it is right here, okay? And now we should connect, and it's connected here. Now the thing is, if you guys are having trouble connecting or pairing, then just go ahead and factory reset these. Okay, how to factory reset these, look in the description below. Okay, hope this helped you guys out. Good luck.